Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already for more beauty trends, beauty tips and tricks like hair growth hacks for example, and self-development. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks. Please leave a comment below because we are going to start having cash giveaways to random people in the comment section. So make sure you say something. You just might win cash directly to your PayPal. Alright, let's get to it. Imagine not wearing your hair for 5, 10, or 15 years because it's been badly damaged by wigs and weaves. Feel the relief and freedom you'll have when you finally rock your own hair that grows out of your own scalp for the first time in a decade. That's probably how these women feel when they leave this salon. The Razor Chick of Atlanta salon ain't no ordinary beauty shop. The women go in with badly damaged hair and balding spots and leave out with amazing hair transformations. The owner, Jasmine Collins, aka Razor Chick, is a stylist located in Atlanta who restores people's hair, and she is passionate about what she does. On her Instagram, at the official Razor Chick, she inspires others by posting her clients' backstories and their before and after pictures. She offers products to help women grow their edges and balding spots, and she bashes the black hair industry for misleading and miseducating people when it comes to wigs and weaves. Quick disclaimer, I don't think she has a problem with wigs and weaves, but with the unhealthy way it's being installed, like gluing it to the scalp. But not only is she vocal about the issues in the black hair community, she is actively doing something about it, as you can see in this post, where she says, quote, "On a mission to turn around the black hair industry. I admire that, as I am also on a mission to help my sisters and brothers heal, grow, and succeed in every area of their life, starting with their hair." She offers online courses where she teaches her techniques to other stylists who may be interested, and she offers days where stylists can come in to shadow her. She is definitely doing it big. Just a few days ago, her passion got her featured in the New York Times. Way to go, girl. So even if your hair doesn't need restoration, you couldn't help but follow her because besides being very talented and successful, she is also a classy, chic lady. It's time for this week's spotlight on those beauty gurus who are shining out there, and today is all about the official Razor Chic, a stylist who is changing lives with her amazing hair transformations. Take a look for yourself.